Hey there friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming at you with a Dollar Tree DIY. If you've been here long enough, you know that I love to start fall time with a nice bench to display all my little pumpkins. Now this is going to be super easy, you're not gonna believe it, and you're only going to need a few items. I believe this is going to cost us like under $5, and it's a super cute mini bench. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. You're going to need 2 longboards. Now this one I just happen to have from Easter time, but any longboards will do. As you can see, I'm going in with hot glue, but of course you can make this super permanent and use wood glue instead. Want that permanent hold. Now, as you can see here, I'm just applying hot glue on top of the first board there, and I'm just going to have that second board standing right at the top. Now, before I forget to mention, if you love videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And I just realized my second board is a little curved, and that's why it's kind of off, but I mean, that's going to be the back. Nobody's going to see that. It is okay. We are going to move on. Just trust the process. But next item here, we're going to set that aside for just a second and just, hold it in place so that way it can stand nice and tall. You want it as straight as possible, obviously, for benches. You don't want your items to, roll around, but let's go ahead and move on. So I'm just going to set that aside out of the frame so you can kind of see what we're going to do here. But I'm going to take these display easels that I've used in my previous videos, and it's not going to be glued to the side. It's actually going to be glued onto the easel holder itself, the picture frame holder, I guess, and it's going to act like the legs, and it's going to give that support on the back of the bench as well. And then we're going to be painting, obviously, this entire bench later. You can see here I am struggling with it a little bit, and this is where I call for backup. I called my daughter to hold the other side because it was kind of a challenge to glue this side where it's like weighted down on the other end, but you can definitely use like paint bottles or anything to support it while you're gluing this side. So you're going to take a look. I know it's kind of out of the frame here, but you're going to see wherever it touches, go ahead and apply hot glue or E6000 if you want that permanent hold. And yeah, you're just going to put pressure on it. Just hold it in place for like 20 minutes. No, I'm just kidding. It's just for a few minutes just to hold it in place. And then we're going to go ahead and move on to the other side. So as you can see here, I applied the hot glue, holding everything in place. And that's exactly what you want to do. Now let's go ahead and head on over to the other side. We're going to do the exact same thing. Take that display easel and we're going to apply hot glue wherever it touches the benches on the bottom and on the back. The great and obvious thing about this bench is that you can literally use it for any holiday. So you can have pumpkins on here, you can have the nice little snowman and Christmas trees and build a little village on this bench if you'd like. Definitely the ideas with this are endless, but I'm sorry, Mr. Snowman, you're heading back to storage right now. It's going to be the scarecrow doing the splits on my bench with little mini pumpkins. I love the way it looks. Forgive me, he literally just came out of storage, so it's kind of messy, but I'm going to go ahead and fix that. But I want to know what you guys think of this super simple bench, which honestly, you can even use this as a centerpiece on a table. And this is how it looks like from the side. Forgive the mess in the background, but once it's painted, it's going to look amazing. And I know you can't wait to see this. Here it is. So you can simply paint it green and add a little bit of distress to it if you'd like. And this is how it looks. I love the way it turned out, but of course I want to hear from you in the comments. Be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know what you think. This will definitely give a little pop to all your decor. That's all for today. Love you all. Bye.